Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel ECE tutorial. This is my first video, so I hope you guys will support me. So please do like, subscribe and share. Actually, this is my new concept because here I am going to teach you all ECE subjects covering each topic, and some subjects are common for all branches, which I am going to explain it today. In this video, I took first chapter of maths, is that matrix. First, what do you mean by matrix? First, what do you mean by matrix? Matrix is an array of numbers enclosed within the brackets. So as you can see, this is the row and the column. Here it shows the row and this is the column of the matrix which I have taken has 1, 2, 3. This is the number array which is enclosed within the bracket, and this horizontal way shows the rows and the vertical shows the column. And the types of matrix are square, column, row, diagonal, unit, symmetric and null and equal. There are 8 types of matrix. So we are going to look one by one. So first here I have taken square and diagonal and symmetric. Because I have taken these three is because these three are similar to each other. For example, the square is, as we all know, the square means it has equal number of rows and columns. Here you can see I have taken 2 rows and 2 columns here. So see, this is 2 rows and 2 columns. So the square matrix means it has equal number of rows and column. The next is diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix, it simply means the principal diagonal element. Here I have shown 1 and 2. 1 and 2 are principal diagonal elements. Except this principal diagonal element, all other array of numbers will be 0. The next is symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix is also similar to the square matrix, which has equal number of rows and columns. But the only difference is that here the rows are converted into columns and the columns are converted into rows. As you can see, here 1 and 2 are given as column, but here it is changed into row. 1 and 2 has become rows, and 4 and 5 here it is shown as column, but here it has become row. This is the symmetric matrix. Here I have taken column, row, unit, null and equal. Here the column means it has only one column and many number of rows. But in rows there is only one row and many number of columns. Here you can see there is only one column but there are 2 rows. Here it has only one row but it has 3 columns. This is the difference between column and row matrix. In unit matrix, the principal diagonal element, that is 1 and 1, will be 1 and other all array of numbers will be 0. In null matrix, all the array of number which is enclosed in the brackets will be 0. But in equal, the given two matrix will be equal. Mean here I have taken an example of A, B, C, D and 1, 2, 3, 4. Here A will be equal to 1 and B will be equal to 2 and C will be equal to 3 and D will be equal to 4. So which means the two matrices are equal. First we'll look at to addition of matrices. Here I have taken two matrices A and B. Matrix A contains 1, 2, 3, 4 and B contains 4, 5, 6, 7, which is enclosed in the brackets. So as we have seen in equal matrix, the same way here we have to take these two numbers and we have to add. So 1 and 4 will be added, 2 and 5 will be added, 3, 6 and 4, 7 will be added. Here I have shown 1 plus 4, 2 plus 5, 3 plus 6 and 4 plus 7. So it is a simple addition in the next step, 5, 7, 9, 11. But we have to enclose in the brackets. Even in this they can ask you 3a plus 2b, a plus a transpose. A transpose means it is simply has Symmetric matrix mean the column will be converted into row and row will be converted into column. Mean if you take the example of 1 2 3 4, 1 and 3 is in column will be converted into row 1 and 3, and 2 and 4 is in column, it will be converted into row 2 and 4. This is A transpose, which is enclosed in the brackets. 3a plus 2b mean you have to multiply here 3a and here 2b and you have to add it together, which means 3a mean you have to multiply for each array of number enclosed inside the bracket with 3. Here you have to multiply with these numbers with 2. Now we'll look on to subtraction of matrices. It is simply as addition, but the only thing is we have to change the sign as minus. Here I have taken the same example of addition 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4, 5, 6, 7. But here you can see the same way you have to take the numbers 1, 4 and 2, 5 and 3, 6 and 4, 7. But you have to here use the minus sign because we are doing a subtraction. The same way you have to subtract and we'll get at last has minus 3 minus 3 minus 3 as the answer. Here also they can ask you 3a minus 2b, a minus a transpose, a minus b transpose. Mean here also we have to multiply this A matrix with 3 and B matrix with 2 and we have to subtract. Here 8 minus A transpose mean the same way 1, 3 and 2 and 4 will be your A transpose, but you have to subtract it. And next is A minus B transpose. First you have to subtract it as usual, then after the answer has occurred you have to transpose it, mean row will be changed into columns. Now we'll look on to multiplication of matrices. Here I have taken two matrices A and B has 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4, 3, 2, 1. Here you can see this is the row and this is the row and this is the column. Now we'll first look at first row. Take the first row and take the first column and multiply it as 1, 4 ones are 4 and 2 twos are 4 and write it here. Then take second row and consider the first column itself, then multiply and write it here. 4 3s are 12 and 4 2s are 8, then add it. Then take first row and consider the second column. So 3 ones are 3 and 2 ones are 2. Then take second row and second column. So it will become 3 3s are 9 and 4 ones are 4 and enclose it in the brackets and simple addition 8, 5, 20 and 13. So here you have to consider the first row and first column, second row, first column, then consider the second column and multiply it with first row and second row. Here they can ask you AB equals BA or AB transpose will be equal to B transpose A transpose or A square. In AB, prove that AB equals BA mean AB, it is simple multiplication, just multiply as it is, this answer you'll get. Then multiply B into A, mean consider first 4 2 3 4 3 2 1, then consider 1 2 3 4, multiply it has BA. Then next is A transpose and B transpose. AB transpose mean first multiply here, this answer you'll get, then transpose this answer, mean the row will become column as usual, so you'll get 8 and 5 is in row will be changed into column 8 and 5, and 20 and 13 is in row will be changed into column as 20 and 13 and enclose it in the bracket. Next, B transpose A transpose mean First convert this B into transposer, then A also you have to transpose, then multiply it. A square mean multiply this A twice. Take 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 has two matrices and multiply it. So guys, I hope you like this video. Next I'll come up with inverse, cofactor and determinants topic. So to see this next upcoming videos, click onto the bell icon. So see you up in the next video guys. Bye bye.